We have a word problem here, and this is related to finding perimeter of a rectangle. And the problem is that if you take 10 rounds of a rectangular park having length as 100 meter and breadth as 50 meter, what will be the total distance covered by you? So you have this rectangular park whose length is this is A, B, C, D representing a rectangular park. The length is 100 meter and the breadth is 50 meter, right? The length of the park is 100, the breadth of the park is 50 meter. Now it is being asked that if you take 10 rounds, so 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4 and like this up to the 10 rounds. If you take 10 rounds, then what will be the total distance covered? Now you know that if we calculate for 1 round, if we calculate the distance covered in 1 round, that's actually what? That's perimeter, right? We know that a perimeter is the distance covered in 1 complete round along the boundary of any given figure. So in 1 round, this will tell us the distance covered and that will be the perimeter. Now we know that for perimeter of a rectangle, we have a formula called 2 times L plus B, where L is length and B is breadth. So this is 2 times length is 100 and breadth is 50. So this is actually what? Perimeter. I'm just denoting perimeter by P. Okay, you have to write in full. So P is what? 2 times 100 plus 50 is what? 100 plus 50 will be 150 and this will be 300 and meter. Always remember the unit. Unit is very important. So perimeter is 300 meter. Now perimeter tells you about the distance covered in 1 round. Here you have taken 10 rounds. So for 1 round you have 300 meter. So for 10 rounds, what distance you will cover? That will be 10 times 300 and meter. So this will be 10 times 300 is what? This will be 3000 meter. 3000 meter will be the distance covered in while you are traveling, taking 10 rounds. This 3000 meter can be converted into even in kilometers. So the distance covered will be like even or 3 kilometers. 3 kilometer. So for 1 round, this will tell you perimeter. We have a formula. The perimeter comes 300 meter. It tells you that this is the distance covered while taking 1 round. So for 10 rounds, this is 3000 meter or 3 kilometer.